So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got like the most exciting video of all time for you all. Well, actually it's for me. And this is going to be my first ever designer purchase. So first of all, before I start anything at all, going to anything, first of all I want to say I'm not trying to shuffle anything. And all of it is one thing. This was bought out of my own money that I've sold things for, I've worked for, I get pocket money like many people do. And I did not get bought this was out of my own money, and I thought I'd just treat myself because, you know. And also it's obvious this could be like a lot to some people and it could be not that much to some people. But I've always wanted like a proper designer thing. I mean, I never have had like a proper nice like designer thing. And I've had like luxury makeup. This is like very luxury. Oh my god, I want to cry. Literally I want to cry. I'm so happy that I've got this. And also, before we start, please hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already for loads of makeup, fashion, lifestyle videos. And please just subscribe if you want. You don't have to, but it would help me out a lot. And when we hit 3k, I'll be doing a giveaway over my Instagram. So yeah, if you want to give away, then subscribe. I'm joking. Anyway, it's from YSL. Well, it says Saint Laurent on the bag, but YSL, and I think it's pronounced Yves Saint Laurent or something like that. I think the Y is silent, so it's like Yves Saint Laurent, something like that. And it's got in this nice little black bag, and I'm gonna pull it out and show you. First of all, in the shop they were so lovely, and I went into the one in Bond Street. Go watch my vlog if you haven't already. And yeah, I went to the one in Bond Street, and they were so lovely. Oh wait, I think it's on Old Bond Street or New Bond Street. I'm not sure which one. But they were so lovely, the woman was so nice, and the shop was like really nice. I really want them YSL shoes that have like the little YSL sign on them. Oh my god, they're like to die for. And yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna get it out, and then it comes in this nice little black bag, and then you fold it up, and oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Out. And basically it comes in this little box here, so it's not like a big bag or anything before you all start saying I've been making a massive big deal of it, but this is a big deal for me. And it comes with this nice little thing, and the ribbon did look a bit better than that, but I've pulled it off loads, so it doesn't look as good. And it's like this nice material. This is Saint Laurent on there, on the little box. I'm gonna cry! And also, you just take it off. It looks really bad, this ribbon. Like I said, I've showed this to like so many people now, and I've had to keep taking it off and putting it back on. But yeah, take that off, and then you get the little box. I'm gonna leave it till we open it. You can probably all guess by now, and most of you can guess, I bet. But yeah, I'm gonna take it off. And then it comes in this little box, obviously, like I've just said a million times. That's the lid. And here it is. It's got like a little mini bag, and it says Saint Laurent. And then we're going to pull that one out and show you that in a minute. That's where the actual thing is inside it. You get these two things at the bottom of the box. So, some little silica gel. Love a bit of that. And then first of all, you get this little card here. This is the warranty, because you actually get like it's like insurance, but it's warranty. So if it breaks or gets damaged, you can just get like a new one, I think. I'm not sure. And then it comes in this little like thing, and you open it. Ah, I'm so excited to show you all. And yes, no, this is just the receipt. Yeah, Saint Laurent Paris. Oh, it's on Old Bond Street, by the way. Just thought I'd let you all know. Yeah, little card. I'm gonna have that on display in my room. It's so cute with my many other bags and that. And then you get this little thing here, and it comes in this little like peely wallet. Does that make sense? And then it's got like a little mini envelope, and you just open the little envelope, and then it says Saint Laurent Paris again. And then I don't actually know what's in here. Hang on. It smells so nice. Oh, you get like these little card things. That's a bit weird, isn't it? I have no idea what this is. It's like a little booklet. It's all in French. I have no. Oh, it's a authenticity code. So like, if someone says, "Oh, that's fake," I'll be like, "Is it? Is it? No." It's proving it's like authentic and not like a fake one. I have no idea. Like little booklet telling you about the manufacturer and stuff. And I'm just going to put that in its little cheeky envelope back again. And now I'm actually going to show you what I bought, because all of you are thinking. She's created a lot of suspense now, so yeah. Okay, and it's the moment you've all been waiting for. Okay, so it comes in this little bag, first of all, and you just like squeeze it up and that, and do like, it's like a pulley bag. And this is what I got. I got a card holder. I feel like I've been creating so much suspense, but This is a lot to me, and I've been wanting this for so long, literally about 2 years. Well, not like that long, but you know what I mean. And I got the silver hardware one. This is just the original YSL card holder, and it's got the silver hardware because I prefer silver hardware way more than gold hardware. I just think silver hardware looks more expensive. I mean, the gold and the silver are the same like price, but I feel like the silver just looks way more expensive and classy, if you get what I mean. And they do this in pink, and I was so close to getting the pink, but I was just like, no, I'm gonna get the black, because pink, I feel like at the moment is quite like a, I mean, it's my favourite colour. Besides white, pink is my favourite colour. I love it. I love having the colour pink on me, like wearing it. But I feel like it's quite like a fad, not a fad, but like a, you know what I mean at the moment. Black is going to be elegant and classy forever. It's never going to go out of style, and also it matches with everything, and it won't get as dirty as the pink, so I thought I'll go with black. And look, yeah, so excited, I'm so excited. And it looks like this, and it has like really puffy leather on it. Oh, it smells like, it smells nice. Let me just tell you now. And this is like a little card thing on it, and this is the overview of it. I can't believe I'm holding a YSL card holder. I can't believe it. The sign thing, the hardware on it, pops out a little bit, and then you have, oh, I don't want to actually open it. Oh, it feels nice inside actually. I like that. And then you have how many cases? You have 1, 2. You have 2 on the back, 2 on the front, and then you have this big middle compartment. Oh my god, I didn't even realise this. It has like a code in it, I think, and then it says, you will not be able to see it, but it says Saint Laurent Paris on it. I don't want to like bend it or anything, but I'm gonna put like all my nice cards in it. I'm gonna have my like debit card in it, and then I'm gonna have like my house phrase one, my Debenhams one, my Boots one. It's gonna be cute. Also, I never have cash on me. It's always on my card, so I just thought it's really handy for me to buy. Like, I'm not just buying it because of it. I think this would just be handy because I hate carrying a purse. It's so annoying. I never have cash anyway, so there's no point of me even having a purse. So this card holder, literally, I'm so glad I bought it. I do not regret anything about it. And if you want to know, this was £150. Like I said, bought it out of my own money before anyone calls me spoiled. Out of my own money. And yeah, I know I'm quite excited, and I don't seem like I'm showing off or anything, but you got to let me be excited because I've been wanting something like this for ages. And I'm just so glad I got it, and it looks cute with my nails as well. Like, yeah. And I'm so obsessed with it. I'm going to put it in this little bag because I'm never going to get it out. And I'm joking. But yeah, that is, it's little, I'm so happy. I thought I'd do a quick like overview of it here. Wait, can you even see? Hang on, I don't even know if you can see or not. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And you can see how bloody shiny that silver is. Like, look at that. And then it's got like the card things. And then, I'm not sure if you can see or not. You definitely can't. Hang on. This is like Saint Laurent inside, and it just looks like this, and you can tell like it's like really nice puffy leather. Like when you press it, it feels like it's gonna bounce up like a little trampoline. And yeah, it just looks like this. And I'm gonna be taking some cute pictures with my nails because I feel like it's very aesthetically pleasing. And I can't even explain how obsessed I am with it. I'm so glad I got the black one as well because I'm gonna display it in my room. Is that sad? I am. I'm actually gonna display it in my room. So yeah, that's a little like overview of it. Hang on. Does it look better with the light off? Nope. But yeah, you can see it's quite dark black. I just love it. I love it. Hey, so that is all for today's video, but I think I might go into like a full in-depth review one like soon. I'm not sure, like a full in-depth one. And I'm actually so happy that I've got this. And I know it might seem like not that much to a lot of people, but it's so much to me, and I've just wanted it for ages and ages, and I can't even explain my love for this little item right here. I love it so much. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so now, and let's try to get this video to 200 likes. And yeah, I love it all so much, and you've made me so happy, and I'm so glad I get to share this with you because you all know how much I love designer things, or I love luxury things. And you know how much I've been wanting stuff like this for ages, and hopefully next I'll be getting my 4 grand Chanel back. No, I'm joking. That would take a lot of saving. That would. And that I'm not prepared to do yet. Anyway, yeah. I love you all so much, and I hope you have had an amazing day or are going to have one. And yeah, bye, I love you all.